another tutorial of the super simple Axex Dental software. Today we will be discussing the elements of how to create a new appointment. So to create a new appointment is very straightforward, something very similar, I'm sure, to what you're used to, and very intuitive. Just select the hour, the time at which you want to create an appointment. So for example, let's say that I want to create an appointment for myself here for Dr. 1 at 9 o'clock in the morning. I can click right there and it tells me here's a new appointment. Right here, you're going to see the operatory. It's going to display that. It's going to display the provider. You may change that information as necessary, but it will default to whatever you have selected. Here's the duration. We can say that it would be something like a root canal. Let's set out an hour and 15 minutes for that. And let's write here on the appointment details that this is going to be a root canal. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to start searching for a patient. Even if you don't have if you think that this is a new patient, it helps to start to search. That way you will avoid creating the same patient again if you already have that patient. If you have a lot of patients and there might be a community that is very strongly, like say lots of Yoders that have the same first name, you can start with the date of birth in the search, and that will narrow it down even more. But over here, there's only one patient that I have created, Gabriel Ruiz. I can create it right there. But let's say that this is not the Gabriel that I want. I can click right here, and I can create a new patient directly from this appointment module. So I can say, no, this is Gabriel Smith. That's a very creative last name. And I'm going to have to enter a phone number before it will let me continue. Okay. I can also go ahead and enter an email over here, and this will help me to be able to send a text later on to this person, or an email, I suppose, with some of the automatic software that we support for that purpose. So here I am. I've added this new patient. You'll see this bar over here that tells you, hey, this patient has been added. If you have a referral, you can enter it right here, hit save, and voila, you have the appointment having been created there. So creating an appointment, as you can see, is very simple, very straightforward. Join us again for another tutorial on the rest of how to handle that appointment once it has been created later on.